Understanding the role of grout in tile durability.
Hello and welcome. Today we're diving into an interesting question. Will the absence of grout affect the durability of a tiled surface? If you've ever done a tiling project, or if you're just interested in home renovation, you'll find this topic particularly intriguing.
What is grout?
First things first, let's understand what grout is. Grout is a type of sealant used to fill the spaces between tiles. It comes in different colors and types, and plays a crucial role in tiling. It not only helps to secure tiles in place, but also provides a protective barrier that keeps dirt, moisture, and bacteria from seeping under the tiles. In other words, grout does more than just giving a finished look to your tile work. It serves a significant functional purpose.
What happens without grout?
Now, let's imagine a tile installation without grout. You might wonder, can I just lay tiles close together and skip the grout? The problem is, even with perfectly cut tiles, there are still microscopic gaps between them. Without grout, these gaps can allow moisture and dirt to get underneath the tiles, which can lead to a variety of problems like mold growth, tile movement, or even causing the tiles to crack or lift over time.
The impact on durability.
So, how does this impact the durability of your tiled surface? Well, in short, without grout, your tiles are much more vulnerable to damage and wear. Grout provides a buffer against the tiles rubbing against each other, prevents water intrusion, and helps to distribute weight evenly across the surface. Without this protection, your tiled surface is likely to deteriorate more quickly. In conclusion, the absence of grout can greatly affect the durability of a tiled surface. So, if you're planning a tiling project, don't skip the grout. It may seem like a small detail, but it plays a major role in the longevity and durability of your work. We hope this information was helpful and encourages you to make the best decisions for your next home improvement project.